Let's get cracking. See how quick that was. Get Ben Ria. Eating snails. They're certainly edible. With the garlic and that, you know, it does give them a different type of taste. Gather all this around. Nice sandy piece of fat wood that I'm going to keep with me now. As you can see there how deep it goes there. It's beautiful. For lunch, light my fire, salt and pepper, and I've got garlic, salt in there as well. Yeah. We're going to do what Mors Korhansky calls a practice stick. That's your V-notch. So next we're going to do a stick reduction, and basically we're going to do a stop. Oh, you've got to be careful you don't do that as well. Put too much pressure on and break the stick. But we're going to, luckily enough I heard a crack then before it started, so titanium non-stick pan, very light, but you want a bit of oil in there just in case, I think. Hi guys, caught me doing my morning shave. Never mind them other razors. This is the type of razor you need for the real man. I could have a laugh, hadn't you?
instructions provided for all on board. In the unlikely event of an emergency requiring evacuation, strongly apply the master to proceed to the nearest muster station. Muster stations can be identified by a square green and white sign depicting a family.
Of tinder on me in my tinder pouch here, but if there are resources around you, then why not use them, or try them at least. Start carving out the bowl shop, something like. I said steaks. What I meant to say was, because I've got some steaks, but I've also got these babies. Lamb chops. Yes. That'll do for starters. Let's see what this is. So we've got a couple of bones there, teeth or whatever. They might come in useful later actually. Now this here, if I'm right, and these are pellets, you might find bones inside here. That's the fat wood there, can you see it glistening? Are you warm enough there, Badgie? Are you warm enough there, girl? Hey? You're looking cosy. Just there, this particular fairly large branch is possibly the top of the one that we're about to cut down. Timber! Coming along now, it's coming along. Uncle Mickey's is giant.
Uncle Mickey's hungry.
Uncle Mickey's chowed down on everything, Badge. You're gonna have to lick the plate clean. What is the temperature in the vicinity? We do not know. Let's look around here. The temperature. Oh. Right guys, the temperature is dropping fast. Last time I checked it was -3, so I'm going to give it another looking over in a minute. Obviously there are no bears in the UK. There is for you folks over in the USA, I know that for sure, and Canada, but we're lucky. We don't seem to have that problem. Well, I ain't seen any out anyway, so Right, it's time to get the fire going. Go on, Fat, would you supposed to work for me? There you go. So we now have flame. I'll transfer that under the TP, like so. And hopefully... Right, really fancy a brew after all this hard work. So this is my Second World War army supply type thing, which holds coffee and tea, and it's tight, watertight. There you go, fresh coffee. Finish off my brew. Now that's fallen out of the nest, rotting away. You've got little creatures inside there. Ooh, interesting.